All right, let's go. This is cool. This is actually a lot of fun. Shop.
Got this, man. Gonna go fast? Man, you have a group pool. You're gonna,
of course they're gonna go fast. Yeah.
Yeah. You're not gonna waste that. Alright, so you go fast, you know. Inter attention is always here, okay?
You got it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem, man. You got it.
All right, this is my first mountain coaster. All right. Let's see what happens if I let it down. Is it just gonna stop? Oh, okay. All right, this is the first mountain coaster. I forget the name of this place, but the name will be coming up on screen shortly. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea how this thing works, but the chain lift system on this is pretty cool. Let's see, so there's a magnetic brake right there. Cool. So this is the first test. Pull back to brake. Oh, never mind, we just go. Here we go. All right. Whoa. Alright, so it looks from that guy, it looks like he's just holding down all the time. So we're gonna hold down all the time too. Whoa. I'm so excited. I've never been on a mountain coaster before. It looks like they also have a camera there too, so you can take a video of yourself. Whoa. Oh, there's more of it up here. That's so cool.
At this time, please push your handles forward to go.
All right, here we go. In the name of my favorite bobsled team, feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on up. It's bobsled time. Good runnings.
Please push your handles forward to go.
You're not trying to make video in either.
Whoa! Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh, there's a camera. Where's the camera? It got me! Wow! It's the helix! Whoa! Ah! Oh so slow. Okay, those are very powerful brakes. Wow. Those are incredibly powerful brakes. Hello.